Get ready to experience trades in the sixth gear. We bring you the newest version of TradeTiger, the ultimate online trading platform. It's got 3 new and unique features so that you can act on the spot. First up, we've upgraded your favorite, Smart Search. Along with finding anything you need to trade in a jiffy, you can place your trade through Smart Search. Simply type in your trade and hit enter. Your trade will be placed. What's more, we've got something for you to try out. It's the intraday scanner. Yes, the new stock scanner will now help you find the best intraday trades across indices. Simply select a time frame, pick the parameters, set a condition and add it to the grid. A quick click and voila, you get the trades of your choice on the spot. Once you found the perfect trade, take quick decisions with the newly introduced state-of-the-art indicators. These indicators help you spot market trends and time your trades on the spot. Find, time and act on your trades on the spot with TradeTiger. Get the latest version today.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Clients should read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and the terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.